And welcome to the lecture session. Today's lecture I am going to discuss some problems on the Laplace transforms by using the properties which we have discussed in the previous class. So these are the problems using the properties. The first problem, L of e power minus t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. So it's given that L of e power minus t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. So for that, we know that if L of f of t is f of s, then when e power minus t or minus at is multiplied for f of t, it will become f of s plus a. So from the given equation, a equals to a equals to plus 1 and f of t is 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. So L of f of t will be 2 times of L of cos 5t minus 3 times of L of sin 5t. And we know that the cos 5t Laplace transform is given by s divided by s square plus 25. And for L of sin 5t is given by 5 divided by s square plus 25. So this is our f of s. That is like L of f of t is f of s that we have obtained. But before applying the property, we need to do the simplification. Let us take the LCM, that is s squared plus 25 plus numerator will be 2s minus 15. So this is the f of s or L of f of t. Now s has to be replaced with s plus a, where a is 1, that is s plus 1. So 2s minus 15 by s square plus 25, where s is replaced with s plus 1. So f of s plus 1 will be 2 times of s plus 1 minus 15 by s plus 1 whole square plus 25, which on simplification we get 2s plus 2 minus 15 will be 2s minus 13, and this is s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 25, which gives us plus 26. So this is the solution by using the property. Second problem. So e power 3t sin 5t into sin 3t. So e power 3t into sin 5t into sin 3t. So first of all, let's find out by using the property, that is L of f of t is f of s, then e power at into f of t will be f of s minus a. So where a is 3, so f of t will be sin 5t into sin 3t. So using the sin a sin b formula, that is minus half into cos of a plus b, that is 5t plus 3t, minus cos of 5t minus 3t, which gives us cos of 8t minus, this is a minus is taken inside, so this is actually 8t and this will be 2t, but because the minus sign is taken inside, it will become plus and this will become minus. So it is cos of 2t minus cos of 8t, and L of f of t will be half times of L of cos 2t minus L of cos 8t, that is s divided by s square plus 4 minus s divided by s square plus 64, which on taking the LCM, s square plus 4 into s square plus 64, where s is multiplied with s square plus 64, that gives us s square plus 64, minus again s is multiplied with s square plus 4, which gives us s square minus 4. And here s square and s squared cancels. We get 64 minus 4, that gives us 60 divided by this. And 2 is there, which on cancellation we get 30s divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 60. Now this is the f of s, or Laplace transform of the function sin phi t into sin 2t. Now let s is tending to s minus 3. That is s tending to s minus 3. When we do that, we get that is 30s divided by this. For the same thing, s is tending to s minus 3. So it is 30 times of s minus 3 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 4 into s minus 3 whole square plus 64. So we get 30 times of s minus 3 divided by s square minus 6s plus this is 4 and 3 square, that is 9, it will be 13. And here it is s square minus 6s plus 4 and this one, it will be 17. Plus 9 it is, so it will be 73. So this is the answer. Next, let's see the another problem. When we have root t into e power 4t. So L of root t into e power 4t. Here the same property can be applied for L of f of t is f of s, then L of e power at to f of t is f of s minus a. Here e power at is e power 4t. So it is a equals to 4 and f of t is root t. That means we need to find out what is Laplace transform of root t or t power half. So L of f of t will be L of t power half. So this is like a t power n, where n is not a integer, it's a fraction. So it is gamma of half plus 1 divided by s power half plus 1. That will give us gamma of 3 by 2 divided by s power 3 by 2. This gamma of 3 by 2, we have a property, that is gamma of n plus 1 can be also written as n gamma n. So where n plus 1 is 3 by 2 means n will be half. Therefore, gamma of 3 by 2 will be equals to half gamma half. And we know that gamma half is root pi. Therefore, we have written as half gamma half divided by s power 3 by 2. Half is taken denominator, that is 1 divided by 2 into s power 3 by 2. And this gamma half is root pi. So that we have written. So we will be getting f of s as root pi divided by 2 into s power 3 by 2. So where s is s tending to s minus 4. So root pi by 2 minus this 1 divided by root pi by 2 into 1 divided by s power 3 by 2, where s is tending to s minus 4. So it is s minus 4 to the power of 3 by 2. The remaining things are same. Next problem. L of t into cos 2t. Whenever t is multiplied, that is if t power 1 is multiplied, it will be differentiated for one time, the Laplace transform of the given function. Here the given function is cos 2t. So we can observe the property here. L of f of t is f of s, then L of t power n f of t is minus 1 power n dn by dsn into f of s. Where n is 1 and f of t is cos 2t, so L of f of t will be L of cos 2t, which gives us s divided by s squared plus 4. So here it is t to the power of 1. So minus 1 power 1 into d by ds of s divided by s squared plus 4. That gives us minus 1 of s square, when you differentiate it by using the quotient rule, that is u by v formula, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v, that is s square plus 4 into derivative of s is 1 minus s into derivative of s square plus 1, 4 is 2s, divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. Here we have s squared plus 4 minus 2s square. And since the minus is actually, we will be getting 4 minus s square. Because of the minus sign, it will be s squared minus 4 divided by s squared plus 4 the whole square. This is the answer for the Laplace transform of t into cos 2t. Now similarly, when a t cube is multiplied, e to the power of minus 3t, which can be done this way, that is L of t cube into e power minus 3t. Instead of multiplying it for, instead of differentiating it for 3 times, because t is multiplied for 3 times, that is t cube, what we can do is the shifting property can be applied by considering f of t as t cube. So L of f of t is f of s, then L of e power minus 8 into f of t is f of s plus a. So a is 3 here, f of t is t cube. But actually this way it will be more easier than doing 3 times differentiation of e power of this. So f of t is t cube and L of f of t is L of t cube, that is 3 factorial divided by s power 3 plus 1, that is 6 by s power 4. So f of s when s tending to s plus 3 will be equals to 6 divided by s power 4, where s is tending to s plus 3, that is 6 divided by s plus 3 the whole power 4. Thank you.